Guys, and today I will be solving this bear Rubik's cube. I know it sounds weird. I don't really know if it's called the bear Rubik's cube, but just calling it that. So yeah, I'm just gonna solve this real quick, and I actually do know how to solve it. I'll put it in the camera and everything. But yes, and I'm sick. That's why I've been missing school. For those people who want to know, yeah, but I'm missing school because I'm sick. But I will be coming back soon. Yeah, whatever. Come on, let's get on with the video. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna mix this up real quick. It's still in front of your face. Okay, that should be good. You might hear me cough a lot in this video, but yeah. So, okay. That should be good. I mixed it up, so yeah. So let's get on. I just solved it, and I wasn't even trying to. What? Okay, I'm just gonna do this again because that was way too easy. Mixing it up again, and that's the TV. If you wanna know what the noise is, but yeah. Oh, no, that's not good. I need to do this one. Okay. The bad thing about this cube, it's kind of hard to mix up because it locks up, and when you mix it up, you're kind of like solving it. It's a really easy cube to solve, like anybody can solve it. But yeah, but yeah, I mixed it up as you can see. I'm just gonna solve it now. So yeah. Okay. Wow. I almost solved it, but I didn't. Oh my god. Okay, fine. Oh, I almost just solved it, but I didn't. Hold on. Oh my god, this is so annoying. I did this wrong again. Oh my god. Oh my god, I keep on doing the same exact thing on the sides. Finally. It took me a while, but I finally solved it. And that's gonna wrap up this video for today. I hope you liked this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And I hope I feel better in the morning. Peace out.